Next to the JFK Library and Museum, you will come across the Boston Harbor Walk, or Boston Harbor Walking Trail. This is a great diversion of the go, go, go attitude while you're on vacation and gives you time to just decompress, relax, and enjoy the sights. As you see here, with Luann running over to the binoculars, you can go and see a good look of the Boston Harbor and Boston, Massachusetts city itself. On this trail, if you're up for some frisbee golf, here you go. This is truly a very beautiful place to walk, very safe. You can take in a little bit of nature and even go down to the Boston Harbor and touch it for good luck. You can even pick up a little bit of history by reading placards that are displayed every now and again on the trail. And they are very dog friendly here, but do clean up after them. They even supply these little Fido houses that dispenses bags for you if you happen to forget yours. Oh, and it's very bike friendly, as you see here with this free bike repair station. Table tennis, anyone? There's even these outside exercise areas that Luann really enjoyed. But I'm not sure we were quite doing them right. Nope, definitely not. And don't forget that you are sharing these paths with bicycles and electric scooters. There's also some offshoot trails next to the regular walk, if you wish to peruse. We even came across some wild animals, as you see here. Their squirrel was a little nuts, but the really exciting thing was the deer that just kept trotting along between the rocky beach line and the water. Just having a good old time.
Where did you come from, honey?
And if you have a set of old bones like I do, there's plenty of places to sit down and take a rest. Well, I hope you enjoyed our visit to the Boston Harbor Walk. We really had a lot of fun. Stay tuned for some more adventures in Massachusetts. And as always, have a great day.